Alright, there's been a few more animals added, so I just thought I'd go through and do another update here. Because you see, he's new, and depending on how old, when the last time I made a video was, I think he's new too. I know these guys are new. We got Rick from Rick and Morty. We got this Wonder Bread guy. He's cool. Summertime, so we have the air conditioner again. So that's cool. It's pretty neat. We got these lights up here around the desk. Cause I like to have this area down beneath the desk. I always like to have it lit up so it's easy to, so I don't knock over my bowl or fuck up my pot or anything like that, you know what I mean? And look, I got incense for days. You see that? Look at all that. Incense. Each one has 30 per pack, and there's a fuck ton of them. Plus I have these these big incense sticks here. And over here, check it out. I got my favorite. I have a little bit of my favorite left right now, my strawberry. I love the strawberry. That's my favorite incense. Last time, when we went to the doctor's appointment for the 3D ultrasound, we went to water beds and stuff, and I got 2 packs of the strawberry, because that's my favorite, and I only burn the strawberry when I'm alone at night and high, you know, because it's my favorite. That's kind of cool. Has nothing to do with anything, but I like it. So yeah, I got incense literally for days. I still got a few more spots over here I forgot about on my wall that I can hang some more animals, so I'll do that at some point. Let's see. These are new. We got the Hamburglar, and we got Ronald McDonald himself. We got Iron Man, Spider-Man. Those are new. We have one of the Three Stooges over here, and him. And we got him from Hey Arnold. I think the Sonic is new. Let's see. We got a Simba over here in the corner. He's not even nailed in or anything. He's just wedged between some of these other animals. In fact, a few of these are. He is also just wedged in. Oh, over here, he's new. He's from Toy Story. He's just wedged in. That reminds me, over here, I have another one from Toy Story. Rex. I'm pretty sure he wasn't here the last time I did an update of this room. And he might not have been either. Let's see. When I got this Mario over here, he came with this little Luigi up here. So that's cool. The Rugrats are new. Tony the Tiger is new. Harry Potter's new. And he's new. He's from some video game. I don't remember what video game it was. Oh, SpongeBob is new. And he is not, he's just wedged in there. He's just wedged in there. Um, and then we got this little Yoshi guy. I don't remember if the red one's called Yoshi or not, but he's from Mario. And I believe that's it. I think that's everything that's new.